Hey guys, Fizzy Gamer Girl here, and guys, here's my YouTube schedule with a pretty weird play button. So basically, I will explain my new schedule. So you'll probably just seen it here, and I'll just flash in front of your face so you can't see it now. Okay, so basically, on a Sunday I will do Geometry Dash or Diepio or Slitherio. You can tell that's supposed to be Slitherio, can't you? And on Monday, I'll do Random Mondays, which is basically where I download just like a random app from the App Store and we check it out, basically. On Tuesday, I do a Minecraft video. I also do that on Friday. Now I'll see which day and time suits iBoss the best. So on none of these days, you'll be seeing a video from me and iBoss. And on the other day, you'll just be seeing, one of my regular Minecraft Let's Plays. On Wednesday I do a quick comic / speed diddle, maybe. Quick comic is basically where like you either see me drawing a comic or I dub a short comic that I did. Or speed diddle, just like me sped up drawing. So like Wednesday is like art day. So guys, if you're not into art, then just avoid my channel on Wednesdays, okay? Then on Saturday, a vlog maybe. If I have no ideas for Saturday, I'm not doing anything on Saturday. You'll see no vlogs, and sorry if I'm talking too fast. So basically, guys, that's my YouTube schedule explained, and that is by Fizzy Gamer Girl, written in the evilest colour ever, pink. My schedule will continue from this Sunday onwards. Goodbye.